If we want for a short-term period, we'll go with a bank loan or bank overdraft. Cash credits are considered. If we want with a long-term loan, we'll go for an issue of shares and debenture. Debenture is nothing but borrowed money. One company will borrow the money with another company. They are called the debenture holder. We have to pay back their money with interest. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam. Call my name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 3, first semester BBA. The session goes in the favor of issue and redemption of debenture. Introduction of this. This is a debenture money we have got. All trading and manufacturing company can raise its fund through short-term and long-term source of finance. So we can raise the fund either in the short-term or the long terms are concerned for meeting the short-term requirement by taking the bank loan, bank overdraft and cash credit. But for meeting a long-term requirement, we issue the shares and debenture. If we want for a short-term period, we'll go with a bank loan or bank overdraft. Cash credits are considered. If we want with a long-term loan, we'll go for an issue of shares and debenture. Then what is a debenture? A debenture is a secured loan or secured creditor, and it's also called as secured creditor. It is a type of debt acknowledged of a loan. So by pledging the asset, some loan we have taken that is called security should be given is called secured credit. Only we say creditor, they are unsecured. When you say debenture, they are secured creditor. They are called secured creditor, acknowledgement same. So we want a loan for a business, maybe long-term loan or a short-term loan. Regarding the short-term loan is concerned, we go with a bank loan or bank overdraft. Cash credits are considered. For a long-term loan, we will go with the equity shares and preference shares and debenture. Now we are talking about the debenture. A debenture is a secured loan or secured creditor. It is a type of debt acknowledged as a debt. It is acknowledgement of a debt. So here we come across this type of question here no, regarding the debenture. We are going to ask only for 10 marks. We will move on now. So when the issue and redemption, the already issue and debenture, redemption. Redemption means payback of debenture. First we'll go to the issue, then we'll go to the redemption. First, the entry for issue, same type of equity. First entry goes bank account debtor to debenture application account. Second entry goes debenture application account debtor to debenture account. What is the first entry? Bank account debtor to debenture application account. Second entry, debenture application account debtor to debenture account. What is third entry? Debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. Bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Next entry, debenture first call account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture first call account. When you go to the final call, debenture final call account debtor to debenture account. Bank account debtor to debenture final call account. Just like a equity, but we won't call it as debenture capital. I will repeat the entry. So we have to pay for application, we have to pay for allotment, we have to pay for first call, we have to pay for the final call. If we could see this now, what is the first entry? Bank account debtor to debenture application account. What is the second entry? Debenture application account debtor to debenture account. So transfer the debenture money to debenture. Third entry, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. That means we have to receive the debenture allotment money. When we receive the allotment money, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Regarding the first call, debenture first call account debtor to debenture account. Next entry, bank account debtor to debenture first call account. When you go for a final call, debenture final call account debtor to debenture account, bank account debtor to debenture final call account. So what's the entry goes now? First entry, slowly we'll go, bank account debtor to debenture application account. The second entry goes debenture application account debtor to debenture account. So regarding the allotment due entry, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Regarding the first call, debenture first call account debtor to debenture account, bank account debtor to debenture first call account. When you go for a final call, debenture final call account debtor to debenture account, bank account debtor to debenture final call account. So it's a very, very common entry we are going. So we'll go with an example with this entry. A company issued 10,000 debenture of rupees 10 each, payable rupees 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 4 on first call, 1 on final call. The company issued all the debenture and the money collected past the entry. So we are issuing how many debentures? We are taking 10,000 debenture. Debenture is nothing but borrowed money. One company will borrow the money with another company. They are called the debenture holder. We have to pay back their money with interest. How many debenture you have taken? 10,000 of 10 each. First he has to pay an application. Then he has to pay an allotment, then he has to pay on the first call, then he has to pay on the final call. Then company issued all the debenture, means entire 10,000 debentures have been issued and money collected past the entry. We'll go to the entry now. First entry, number 1. What's your application fees? 2. First entry, bank account debtor. First entry, bank account debtor, 10,000 into 2, 20,000. 2. Debenture application account. $20,000. What's the first entry goes? Bank account debtor to debenture application account, being application money received. If you want, you can write this, being application money received. So first entry. So debenture application money will be transferred to debenture capital, but if you won't carry debenture capital, it's called debenture. Second entry, debenture application account debtor, debenture application account debtor, 20,000 to debentures account, 20,000. Being application money transferred to debenture. What is the first entry? Bank account debtor to debenture application account. Second entry, debenture application account debtor to debenture account. Then we'll move on to allotment. What's your allotment money? Due entry, 10,000 into 3. Third entry, debenture allotment account debtor, due entry, debenture allotment 10,000 into 3, 30,000 to debentures account. $30,000. What's the entry? Debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. We mean to say that we have to receive the debenture allotment money. When you receive the money, fourth one, bank account debtor. When I receive the money, bank account debtor, 30,000 to debenture allotment account. We receive the money, 30,000. What's the entry? Bank account debtor. First entry, bank account debtor to debenture application account. Second entry, debenture application account debtor to debenture account transfer entry. Allotment, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Then we'll go to first call, fifth entry, debenture first call account debtor, debenture first call account debtor, 10,000 into 4, 40,000. To debentures account, 40,000. What's the entry? Debenture first call account debtor to debentures account. Debenture first call account debtor to debentures account. So depends upon first on application, then on allotment, then on the first call, then on the final call. What's the first entry? Bank account debtor to debenture application account. Second entry, debenture application account debtor to debenture account. Allotment account due entry, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. First call, debenture first call account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture first call account. We'll move on to final call. What's your final call? 1 rupee. Bank account debtor. Here, cancel this. What's the first call money? See the first call money, 40,000. Bank account debtor, 40,000. To debenture first call account, due entry received, 40,000. So we'll go with the entry now. Due entry, debenture first, see the entry, debenture first call account debtor to debenture account. When receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture first call account. Then we'll go to final call. Final call. Debenture final call account debtor. Debenture final call account debtor, 10,000 into 1, 10,000. To debenture account, 10,000. Due entry, debenture final call account debtor to debenture account. Last entry, receive the money, bank account debtor, bank account debtor, 10,000. To debenture final call account, 10,000. So we'll go with the entry. First entry, bank account debtor to debenture application account. Second entry, debenture application account debtor to debenture account. Allotment, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture allotment account. Regarding the first call, debenture first call account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture first call account. Regarding the final call, debenture final call account debtor to debenture account. When you receive the money, bank account debtor to debenture final call account. So we put the format entries. So I think you have followed. So we'll go to next problem. Here see that Shanta Company Limited purchase fixed assets for rupees 5 lakh from vendor and allotted 5,000 6% debenture. This is the rate of interest, 6% debenture of rupees 100 each to satisfy the purchase consideration. So here asset have been purchased in the form of debenture. I will explain. The company issued 20,000 8% debenture 100 each at a discount of 5%. On application rupees 50, on allotment 20, on call money 25, application received only 18,000 debenture. All the debentures were collected, the problem says. Here the problem is 50 plus 20, 70 plus 25 is 95. Here actual mean 25 minus 5 is the discount. 25 is the real value. 5 rupees today's value is 20. Actually, you have got 20,000 debentures, but how many application received? Only 18. You have to pass the entry for 18,000. So regarding the asset, if any asset is purchased either in the form of share or in the form of debenture, the entry will be asset account data to vendor account data to equity share capital. What is a debenture? First entry, asset account data to vendor account data to debenture account. If it is a share, asset account data to vendor account data to equity share capital. Now we are talking about the debenture. So here, Shanta Company Limited purchase fixed assets for rupees 5 lakh. What is the entry now? Fixed asset account data 5 lakh to vendor account 5 lakh. So purchase has been made in credit. Then vendor account data 5 lakh to debenture to 6% debenture account rupees 5 lakh. So the entry goes in favor of the vendor. I will repeat. First entry, fixed asset account data 5 lakh to vendor account 5 lakh. Next entry, vendor account data 5 lakh to 6% debenture account 5 lakh. Now, the company has got how many? 20. But how many she received? 18,000. So you have to pass the entry for only 18,000. So what's your application fees? 50. How many share? So 18,000 into 50. Application fee. It is 18,000 into 50. It comes to 9 lakh. What is the first entry? Bank account data 9 lakh to debenture application account to 6%, which is percentage, to 6% debenture account 9 lakh. What is the next entry? 6% debenture account data. Our first entry, bank account data to debenture application account data to 6% debenture to the extent of 9 lakh. Then regarding the allotment, so there was a discount. What is the common entry? Debenture allotment account data, discount on issue of debenture account data to debenture account. What is the entry? Debenture allotment account data, discount on issue of debenture account data to 6% debenture account. Next entry, bank account data to debenture allotment account. That's the entry. Here if you see now, if you see 25 rupees the discount. Entry, debenture allotment account data 18,000 into 20 here. 18,000 into 20 is equal to 3,60,000. Debenture allotment account data 3,60,000. So next, discount on issue of debenture account data 18,000 into 5, 90,000. Here now, this is actually 18,000 into 25. Actual figure 18,000 into 25. So 4,50,000. So first one 18,000 into 20, 3,60,000. 3,60,000 plus 18,000 into 5, 90,000. It comes to 4 lakh. So what's the entry? First one, for a vendor, fixed asset account data 5 lakh to vendor account data 5 lakh. Then vendor account data 5 lakh to 6% debenture account 5 lakh. Regarding the company 20, 8% debenture, but how many application received? 18,000. First entry, bank account data 18,000 into 50. 18,050 is 9 lakh. Bank account data 9 lakh to debenture application 9 lakh. Next entry, debenture application account data 9 lakh to debenture account 9 lakh. This entry, allotment, debenture allotment account data 18,000 into 20, 3 lakh, that is 18,000 20, 3,60,000. Discount on issue of debenture 18,000 to 5 is 90,000. To debenture account 4,50,000. What is the next entry? Bank account data 3,60,000 to debenture allotment account 3,60,000 only. 25. Then last entry, you got 18,000 into 25. entry. Debenture call account debtor 4,50,000 to 6% debenture account 4,50,000, bank account debtor 4,50,000, debenture call account 4,50,000. This is the first and final call account. So we'll pass the entry. This is for 10 marks entry. The entry goes first fixed asset account debtor to vendor account debtor to 6% debenture account. What is the first entry? Fixed asset account debtor 5 lakh to vendor account debtor rupees 5 lakh. What is the next entry? Vendor account debtor rupees 5 lakh to 6% debenture account rupees 5 lakh. Then application 50, 18,050 is 9 lakh. Bank account debtor 9 lakh to debenture application account 9 lakh. What is the next entry? Debenture application account debtor 9 lakh to 8% debenture account 9 lakh. Here come back. Debenture allotment account debtor 18,000 in 23 lakh 60,000. Discount on debenture 18,005 is 90,000. To debenture account 4,50,000. Next entry, bank account debtor 3,60,000 to debenture allotment account 3,60,000. Come back to final call. Debenture first and final call account debtor 18,000 into 25, that is 4,50,000. To debenture account 4,50,000. What is next entry? Bank account debtor 4,50,000 to debenture first and final call account 4,50,000. This type of ending. So it is called under subscription. We say we require about 20,000 debenture, but we receive only 18,000. Less than the face value is called under subscription. More than the face value is called over subscription. What's your totally? We have debenture 20,000. More than 20,000, it is called over subscription. Less than 20 is called under subscription. We say. So we'll pass the entry now. First entry, number 1. Fixed asset account debtor, fixed asset account debtor 5 lakh to vendor account or vendor's account 5 lakh. First entry. Second entry. What's the entry? Fixed asset account debtor 5 lakh to vendor's account 5 lakh. Second entry. Vendor's account debtor 5 lakh. What's the rate of debenture? See that? To 6% debenture account to 6% debenture account 5 lakh. Ask the vendor to become the debenture holder, that's all. Make the vendor to become the debenture holder, that's all here. Then regarding the application, you got 50 rupees. Third entry, bank account debtor 18,000 into 50, it is 9 lakh. 2. Debenture application account 9 lakh. Bank account debtor 9 lakh to debenture application account 9 lakh. What's the next entry? Debenture application account debtor 9 lakh. Debenture application account 9 lakh. 2 debentures account to 6% debenture account 9 lakh. So this goes in favor of application. So what's your allotment money due? 25, discount is 5, real money. 25 real money, 5 gone as discount. You got only 20 due entry. Here due entry. Debenture allotment account debtor. Debenture allotment account debtor 18,000 into 20. It is 3,60,000. What's the due entry? Debenture allotment account debtor 18,000 in 20, 3,60,000. Discount on debenture account debtor 18,000 into 5, 90,000 to 6% debenture 4,50,000. Entry debenture allotment account debtor, discount on debenture account debtor to 6% debenture account. Next entry bank account debtor 3 lakh excluding discount 3,60,000 to debenture allotment account 3,60,000. Bank account debtor 3,60,000 to debenture allotment account 3,60,000. You can excluding the discount. Discount won't come. Last one 25 rupees. Seventh one debenture call account debtor. Debenture call account debtor 18,000 into 25. Is it 25? 18,000 into 25. Debenture call account debtor 18,000 into 25. 18,000 into 25. 4,50,000 to 6% debenture account 4,50,000. Last entry, 8th entry to receive the money. Bank account debtor 4,50,000 to debenture call account 4,50,000. Receive the money. What's the entry? Bank account debtor, debenture call account. So it will be asked for 10 marks. Definite question will come. It may be redemption or this one. Then we'll go to redemption. I think you have followed the entry. This is a formal entry, so you have passed. Then, so first I given the formal entry. First problem I have solved. Second problem, when the assets have been purchased, it is under subscription. So your number of debenture is 20, but you receive only 18,000. Less subscription is there. So we passed the first formal entries. Then we passed the two problems just for application, allotment and first call. When we receive the application entry, bank account debtor to debenture application account debtor to debenture account. When we issue the allotment, common allotment entry, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account. If there is a discount, debenture allotment account debtor, discount account debtor to debenture account. If there is a premium, debenture allotment account debtor to debenture account to debenture premium. Then the next entry, bank account debtor to debenture allotment excluding discount. If it is a premium, bank account debtor to debenture allotment, including the premium. If in the case of discount, excluding the premium. In case of including premium, include the premium, that's all. So we have passed the entry. So hope you have understood now. We'll meet in the next session with another problem regarding the redemption of debenture. So far we come to issue of debenture. In the next session, we are going to discuss redemption of debenture. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.